Prime Minister calls for resilience in difficult times. $15 million to truck water to farmers and householders most affected by drought, and more land titles issued to northeastern Jamaicans. With Jamaica House Weekly, I'm Stacey Ann Smith.
How will you spend this commemorative day in a manner that will bring honor to your ancestors?
That was Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller's thought-provoking question to Jamaicans on the August 1 celebration of Emancipation Day. She called on the country to draw inspiration from the tenacity of our ancestors to overcome current difficulties.
Everything was stacked against them, and it seemed utterly futile to grasp for anything better. But they did against all odds. So too can we. Our ability to overcome against all odds, our determination, and our never say die attitude define us as a people. It is who we are, irrespective of our lineage. Out of many, one people, resilient, capable, determined, and strong.
In her Emancipation Day message, Mrs. Simpson Miller also urged Jamaicans to do research on the lesser-known freedom fighters and to celebrate our ancestors by visiting monuments erected in their honor. She also marked the 100th anniversary since national hero Marcus Mosiah Garvey established the Universal Negro Improvement Association, the UNIA. The Prime Minister brought a similar emancipatory message to a National Land Agency land titling ceremony in St. Mary Thursday.
I regard today's ceremony as a tribute to the members, to our ancestors, and those who landed in Jamaica and worked on plantations as slaves. Today, we, their posterity, can stand and be proud, not only because we're free, but today we will free up some titles for our people.
During the ceremony, 94 titles and 88 certificates of allotment were handed out to residents of St. Mary, Portland, and St. Ann. By Thursday evening, the Prime Minister was back in Kingston for the presentation of new colours that identify the 2nd Battalion Jamaica Regiment of the Jamaica Defence Force at Upper Camp. Mrs. Simpson Miller's presence was also felt at Day 3 of the Denby Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show in Clarendon Sunday. She told farmers of the emergency response plan that the local government and community development minister was instructed to formulate.
To complement those plans implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and the Ministry of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, as soon as tomorrow, the Ministry of Local Government will be providing $15 million to truck water to the worst affected areas for domestic and agricultural use.
The Prime Minister said Clarendon, Manchester and St. Elizabeth would be given special attention under this initiative. Mrs. Simpson Miller also revealed that following a tour of drought-affected areas Monday, the local government minister, along with representatives of ODPEM, RADA, the Fire Brigade and Social Development Commission, would implement a comprehensive action plan for the short and medium term.
Let us now have light, care and survival.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller was commissioning into service the new floodlights for the staging of night matches at Sabina Park on August 3. The $2.7 million project was a partnership involving the Indian government, the Tourism Enhancement Fund, and the government of Jamaica. Last week also found the Prime Minister congratulating the Jamaican team to the 20th Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland.
They represented a country with dignity and with pride and reaped success, carrying the colours of our Jamaican flag, the black, the gold, and the green.
Mrs. Simpson Miller described the athletes' performance as truly outstanding, saying it had lifted the spirit of the Jamaican people during the Emancipation Independence period. Jamaica ended the Games with 22 medals, finishing 10th overall. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Join us next time for more of the stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.